quick video overview of week 4. As always, I encourage you to print out our weekly checklist, and if you'll notice when you click on that, you will have this particular checklist for this week. Now, as far as this week, you have one major task. It is to complete your first test essay. Now, I would highly encourage you, before you start writing your test essay, to please look over the comments that I give on your diagnostic essays. I returned those to you this past weekend, and you'll notice I wrote tons of comments and highlighted lots of information. Read through those so you don't repeat those same mistakes with the diagnostic essay. You might also want to take an extra step and maybe visit one of our learning labs, and you can, see one of our English instructors, and they can sit down and help you to avoid some of the major errors like run-ons and comma splices and fragments and subject-verb agreement errors in your test essay. Now, as far as with those errors, you will have grammar reviews later that overview those major errors, but I know you probably want to try to start avoiding those. So try to go to the Learning Lab and get some extra help in tutoring if you noticed you had a ton of those major errors. Also, before you write the example essay, you need to, of course, watch the video overview of the assignment. If you go to the actual assignment on Canvas, which is underneath, of course, week 4, and it's underneath the module 1, which is the example illustration essay, test essay 1, you want to click on E, which is the example illustration essay. And when you click on that assignment, it's going to have a video overview of all the information that you need to write the best example essay. Now, I have a description of the assignment and the topic in the actual assignment description area when you click on it, but the video is more informative, and it also has me explaining different handouts and also more in-depth information about the topic and the routes you can go with your body paragraph points. So again, your major task this week is to complete the example essay, and that's going to be due this coming Sunday. And as always, if you have any questions relating to the assignment of the example essay, I encourage you to email me. You can do that in any of my email addresses, my .mgcc.edu account, my Google or Yahoo account, or through Canvas messaging. Also, I am always available during my office hours, so if you want to come by and see me, I will be happy to sit down with you and give you any help if necessary. And as always, you can go to the Learning Lab at any of Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College's campuses. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to reading your example illustration essays and getting to know more about you. Thank you.